everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel. So guys, in today's video I've decided to do a very glam Valentine's Day look for you guys. I wanted to play with so much makeup today. I woke up this morning and thought I want to do a Valentine's makeup look, so that's what I went with. And Valentine's Day is next Sunday, so yeah, we don't really do a lot for Valentine's Day. Probably get each other a couple of chocolates each and a card and maybe have some drinks and a takeaway. That's as far as we do for Valentine's. But yeah, I just thought I wanted to play with some makeup. I wanted to do a really nice glam Valentine's Day look. So this is the look that I've come up with, and oh my god guys, I'm so obsessed. Today I've been using this palette, which is the Sample Beauty Equalizer palette volume 2. I got this off Beauty Bay. Without me chattering on too much, if you want to see how I created this gorgeous wearable Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, then please keep on watching guys. So I'm starting off with the Minnie Mouse headband and iced coffee. So for skincare, I'm going to put on some moisturiser. So this is a moisturising serum that I got in a glossy box, and this is from eCooking, and oh my god guys, it is so nice. So how are you guys? How are you all doing? I want to do like a really nice blown out pink look for Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is next week. Me and Tony don't really do a lot for Valentine's. We buy each other like a card and like some little treats and stuff, and then we probably just have a takeaway and watch a film or something. But yeah, that's, I've got a friend there that really hurts, you know, one of those really ones that hurt. That's that one. We didn't even do much like before the pandemic, so it doesn't really faze us, to be honest. I think it's overpriced as well, like when you used to go out for meals and stuff for Valentine's Day. I'm sure they used to put the prices up, so we were quite happy just to go to McDonald's, to be fair. I'm not putting lashes on today. One, I don't own any lashes at the moment, and two, I'm sure I'm allergic to the glue, so I need to try and find one that I'm not allergic to, basically. Probably like latex free or something, so I might need to, if you guys know a really good latex free glue, lash glue, then hook your girl up, let me know down below, because I like wearing lashes, but my eyes are really sensitive, like really sensitive. Have you guys like picked up any new hobbies or anything? I've started like doing a diary. I haven't done a diary in years. And I've literally just started doing a diary, which I really love because I put all my thoughts and everything down on there, and I'm not like bombarding Tony or my family with all my thoughts and everything that's going on at the moment, and I just think it's really healthy to do that way. Also, I've gone big into manifestation as well. I think that's how you say it. Manifestation. I don't know. But I'm big into crystals, I always have been, and like manifesting things. I'm a big believer in all of that. I want to do like a Q&A for a video as well. I think that'd be quite good, like maybe an assumptions video or something like that. So if you know, want to get involved, pop a question down below for the next video, and we can do like an assumptions video or a Q&A video. Also follow me on Instagram if you're not following me on Instagram already. I'll put it on screen, just a little plug, because I put a lot of things on there for like video ideas, so you guys can get involved. So if you want to do that, then follow me on Instagram guys. So then I'm going to use my sponge and just blend that out so it's not so harsh. I feel like I've not played around with makeup in so long. Not like a glam look in so long, and I miss it. I really love, that's what I started my channel for, because I absolutely love makeup. And I'm not the best at makeup, but I do love playing around with makeup, and I am using the Beauty Bay brushes today. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Sample Beauty, the Equalizer palette volume 2. I have heard so many people talking about this palette, so I picked it up. It was only like £21 something off Beauty Bay, so that's like really affordable. And it just looks like that. It's so nice. It's got a massive mirror on the back, so it's ideal for traveling. A really nice beginner friendly palette. So like stripping, you'd match this like matte shade with this shimmer shade and make a look, or you could just mix the looks up and like do your own look. So I'm gonna go into the shade Bottomless first, which is this lovely yellow. And I'm just going to pop that straight into my crease. And I'm just going to use a massive fluffy brush for that. So I'm just going to load my brush up. Look at the pigment on that. So I'm just going to literally buff this all into my crease, just as like a transition shade. I'm going to go into the shade Whispering, which is this one here. Then I'm going to go into this shade here, which is called Comfort, which is a nice like light pink shade. I'm then going to go into the shade Cherry, which is this lovely light purple. I feel like I'm going to go with that cherry all across the lid. I'm going to go in with a big buffer brush and just blend across the top of that. And I'm just going to clean up any fallout. I'm going to go into the shade Zone, which is like a nice pink rose quartz shade. And I'm going to use that on my finger. I'm then going to take the shade Sweet and pop that on the inner corner. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm then going to go back into Stripping and pop that on the outer edge and just buff that across the top. That just looks so nice. I'm then just going to curl my lashes. Mascara I'm going to use today, guys, is the one that everyone's been talking about on TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. And obviously I'm talking about the Maybelline Lash Sensation Sky High Mascara. This has literally gone viral on TikTok. Wow, my lashes look good. So I'm going to use this. So this is the L'Oreal Glow Cherry, I have no idea how to say this. So it's basically a natural glow enhancer. So I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on. When I say a little, I mean a little, because you will end up looking like the Tin Man if you put too much on. But if you just put a little bit on, it gives you that really nice natural glow, and I love it. I mean, look how glowy. It's so nice. Foundation, I'm using my L'Oreal True Match in 2.N. Put a couple of pumps on the back of my hand. And I'm going to use my microfiber sponge, which I'm absolutely loving. For concealer, I'm going to use my Fit Me, Maybelline Fit Me, which I love. Just gonna let that sit there for a little minute, because when it gets tacky it gets more coverage. I'm gonna use my Larizzi stick in medium and just do a little bit of contour, nothing too crazy. I'm going to set that all in place using my Rimmel Stay Matte, which you guys know I absolutely love. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay bronzer. I have been absolutely loving this bronzer so much. and they're literally so cheap on Beauty Bay. It's literally the Beauty Bay own brand, and I've tried a few of their products and I absolutely love it. So this is in the shade Fawn. Oh, it's such a beautiful colour. And then just get rid of the double chin. I like to go back in with my sponge and just blend it out a little bit more, but it looks a little bit more seamless and natural. Well, as natural as possible. I'm also going to be using the Beauty Bay blusher today. Like, if you guys have literally not tried any of the Beauty Bay products, I would highly recommend. They're so super affordable and they're really, really nice. I love their eyeshadow palettes. I'm also using the Beauty Bay brushes today as well. I'm using the blusher, and this is in the shade Blossom, which I think is ideal for like spring. It is a little bit shimmery. I'm not used to a shimmer blusher, but oh my god, I absolutely love this blush so much, and I like to put some on my nose as well. I'm just going to pop a little bit of spritz on. So of course I'm going to be using my PS Rose Water. Like, would I use anything else? I'm going to go back on the under eye while that's drying on my face. And I think I'm going to go into the shade, actually, I'm going to go into the shade Love, which is this lovely, like, maroon, purpley, dark brown shade. I'm just going to run that across my under eye, my lower lash line. The Vampire Diaries are back on Netflix. And of course, I'm rewatching every single episode before they end up taking it off again. I'm just going to put the same mascara on the lower lashes. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Beauty Bay one as well. I'm obsessed with this highlighter, guys. So the packaging is so nice. It's so just basic, but it's nice. And I got mine in the shade Beam. Like, oh, look at that, guys. I mean, you can't even see because I don't even know if you can see it, but I'm going to put it on my face. So I'm going to use the Beauty Bay fan brush and just load it up. It is quite a glittery highlighter, I'm not going to lie. But I'm all for that. So if you don't like glitter in your highlight, then you might not like this. Oh, I just love it. So I'm going to use my Rimmel Lasting Finish lip liner in Red Dynamite. The lipstick I'm going to use today, guys, is Beauty Bay again. I'm obsessed with Beauty Bay makeup at the moment. It's super affordable, so I picked some up, and I got the shade Sauce, which is this lovely maroon red. Guys, this is the look that I've come up with for Valentine's. I hope you like it. If you do like it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, you know what to do, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Bye, guys.